Everything's guide, everything's nice and simple. It's a clean looking unit and it's sturdy. And yeah, it was just really easy to install, so I'm loving it so far.
Meet the expert behind a brand new Ecor RTI installation in Boston. Today we're talking with a contractor from Boston Standard to get his take on the experience.
Hello, and today we're down here in Boston, Massachusetts with Michael from Boston Standard.
How we
Today
doing?
they installed one of our RTI systems on the roof here, and I want to give him a few minutes to tell you how the install went for him.
Hey guys, how we doing? Like you said, my name is Michael. The install of this Ecor unit went beyond easily. My favorite part about it, pretty much, if we want to walk around this side, when we did the ductwork, the fans pretty much automatically picked up the static pressure that was needed for the system. It was a 5-ton before, but it picked up beautifully, and we're running a 0.6 static. The unit's running beyond beautifully already. It's only been on for 10 minutes. Everything's accessible to it. Everything's a clean look. Everything's guide. Everything's nice and simple. It's a clean looking unit and it's sturdy. And yeah, it was just really easy to install, so I'm loving it so far.
What do you think about the noise versus traditional 5-ton?
It's insane. As you can tell, we have units running all around us, and it's overpowering whatever's coming from this unit. You can't even tell that this thing's on, man. So that's when we started it up and it was already heating. I was severely impressed. I'm loving this system so far. It's the first one I put in, and I'm sure many more are to come. So.
All right, we appreciate it. And thank you for your time, and tune in for the next one.